Welcome back to English class, students. And in today's class, we are going to learn a phonics rhyme. And we have, I paint the wall and tie your lace. Now, if you look at this first picture, you can see this girl holding a bucket of paint, right? And in picture number 2, you can see this girl telling this boy to tie his lace. That is why the name of this phonics rhyme is I paint the wall and tie your lace. Now let's look at the first phonics rhyme first, okay? I paint the wall. This is the wall I want to paint. The wall is so small, I cannot wait. I will paint the rain and a snail that leaves behind a snail trail. Did you hear that, students? Now this girl says that this is the wall I want to paint. The wall is so small, I cannot wait. She wanted to paint the wall and she said that the wall is so small that she cannot wait to paint. She just wants to paint right away. I will paint the rain. Do you see here? She's painting the rain. And a snail that leaves behind a snail trail. Now, what is the snail and what is a snail trail? Now, do you see this insect here? This is a snail, okay? It is a very soft and wet and slimy insect. It moves very slowly. And when it moves, because it is a wet insect, it leaves a wet mark behind it. Now, that wet mark is called as a snail trail. Okay, so this girl says she will paint the rain and a snail that leaves behind a snail trail. Okay, and the second phonics rhyme here is tie your lace. Now this girl tells this boy, tie your lace and roll the die. Eat the pie, don't tell a lie. Tie, die, pie. Pie, lie, tie. Did you hear that? Now, what do you understand from this poem, this phonics rhyme? Now, this girl is telling this boy, tie your lace. As you can see in this picture, this boy is tying his lace, right? And roll the die. Now, this here is a die. Now, even when you play games, you roll the die, right? Like playing Ludo. You roll the die to start the game. And then she says, eat the pie. As you can see here, this girl is holding a pie in her hand. Eat the pie. Don't tell a lie. She is telling this boy, don't tell a lie. Tie, die, pie. Pie, lie, tie. Does that rhyme? Yes, it rhymes, right? Now we have rhyming words here like tie, die, pie. Pie, lie, tie. Now from the phonics rhyme, I paint the wall, we have rhyming words like paint and rain. Now does that rhyme? Do you hear? Paint, rain. Snail, trail. Snail, trail. They rhyme, right? And from the phonics rhyme, tie your lace, we have the words tie, pie, die, and lie. Do you hear that? Now all these have the same rhyming words. They rhyme tie, pie, die, lie. They all rhyme, right? And they make the same sound. Now let us try to pronounce these words together. Paint. Say with me, students, paint. P-A-N-T. Paint. P-A-N-T. Paint. P-A-N-T. Paint. Snail. Snail. S-A-L. Snail. S-A-L. Snail. Tie. Tie. I, tie, t, I, tie, die, die, d, I, die, d, I, die, d, I, die. Now if you look here, once again, paint, rained, snail, trail. Do you see these AI word here? AI. Again here in rain, R-A-I-N. Snail, S-N-A-I-L. Trail, T-R-A-I-L, trail. Now all these words have these AI words, AI letters in the middle, which brings out the sound of A. 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 Paint, rain, snail, trail. And entire lace, tie, pie, die, lie. Do you see they have these I-E, 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 which makes it pronounced as tie, pie, die, and lie. Now we have, from the phonics rhyme I Paint the Wall, we have these sounds A. And from the phonics rhyme Tie Your Lace, we have these words I. Okay, students, I want you to practice these vowel sounds on your own and try S2 from page 26 English Workbook, Volume 2 on your own. Okay, now you will say these words and fill in the blanks with the A sound or the I sound. So you will have to fill in the blanks with AI or IE. Okay, look at number 1, T and dash. What is it? Is it tay, T-A-I, or is it tie, T-I-E, tie? Now P dash N-T, nt, P, A, nt, paint, or P, I, nt, pint. Is it paint or pint? Now you will try to make these sounds on your own while doing this, and then you will write. Click a picture and send your work to me. Okay, students? Now thank you.